Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing of these two trackpads. Now, for those of you who are wondering what's the difference between the two of them, nothing, just the color, okay? One or the other is not more sensitive or doesn't have any better performance in any other way, okay? They're exactly the same, just different color. And as you guys can see, the unboxing, pretty much the same thing. So we are getting the same things inside. We do have our charger cables and manual. Yep. So you guys can hook up your trackpad to charge it up to your computer, or if you guys have an iPhone, iPad, or Touch, you guys could hook this up into your wall charger. Okay, so those are the cables that you get. They're just standard cables. There's really no difference between the two of them. One's black, one's white, but they have the exact same connection. It's the exact same thing. Okay, so there is no difference with the charger cables between the white or the darker one. Let's just put these back. Now let's see the trackpads. Let's open these up, check them out. So it's this one. Okay, that's where you turn it on, turn it off. Okay, and just put this on the side. Here's the other guy. And it's the same deal. So you guys will see that's where you turn it on, turn it off, same connections, same design. So let's look at both of the backs so you guys can see that they are exactly the same. Okay, so on the back you have the logo, some info, you have the same things right here, just different colors. They're the same. There you go. They're exactly the same as you guys can see. Okay, width-wise, you're looking at everything the same when you're looking at these trackpads. So again, the biggest question I get between these two is like, what is the difference? Why am I paying so much more for this guy versus the white one? Well, you're paying for the color. If you get a iMac Pro, this one might look better with it than this other guy. So you're playing just for the aesthetics, really. And so let's just put them aside. Now the feel of them, I was gonna say they feel a little bit different one than the other, but not really. Feel the same, and that's because you will notice. Let me just zoom in. So see this plate that it has, the white one. This guy has the same thing. Okay, so if we're looking at both, they're the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna stop comparing the two because there isn't much comparison except for the color. Again, they both have the same connections on the back. You just put the backs of them. Okay. Okay, so that's where you turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. That's where you hook it up, and that's it. Anyways, this is just a quick unboxing just to show you guys what's the difference between the two of them. I was just about to say, oh, this one feels a little bit different than this guy, but not really. The color does make you think that, but not really. They're the exact same thing. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.